How to add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to add music to an Instagram post, so normally what you had to do was you had to open up your Instagram app, tap the plus icon. When you select a single photo from here, so let me go ahead and select a single photo from this list, and then when I tap the next option, I would be able to add the music by just tapping the music icon from the top left. But the issue here lies in if I select multiple photos, for example here. Now if I tap the search button, where is the music icon? Because the music icon has disappeared, and even if I tap the next option from the top right, you can see that there is no any option to add a music. That is because Instagram simply does not allow you to have a certain music with all this posts. One thing you have to understand here is that when you add a music to a photo, what does it become? It doesn't become a photo with music. It becomes a video, and the music plays up to certain second long. That is until when the video has been rendered and then uploaded as a video. So when you select multiple photos, those multiple photos cannot be converted to a video by adding a music. So that is the reason why Instagram will not let you to add the music, because it is simply not possible in the algorithm. Once you add a music to a certain photo, so let's say I just select one photo here and then I tap on music and then I happen to add a music, that photo becomes a video. And that is why when you select so many pictures at once, you will not be able to add music. So hope this video helped to clarify your question. If you have got any more issues, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.